National spokesperson ka All India Trinamool Congress Usaket Gokhale menta kesengi ulaong ba Phimla man Pynjah Burom yo upriu ublayo Burom lupa ha ketu kathim. Ula burgem man kerwet ya ka sarkar ha ke yeng bishar. Ngala khot ikiman ka por Henry Kumno banwan. Ulaong ba kini kitmu penting ya u da ka defamation suit Henry ulaong ba tieng satya. Ngala sha set along menta shitayo baro shitayo kini ki jing berngem jong ki kim penting yang nga ulaong. Ulaong baka sarkar ka tieng man penpawi ki jing shisha nama kata ka le buri hadu menta. Ulaong balada lap ya ka jing bamsap ka sarkar ka deiru ban ai jupap. Ulaong balada usimbut menteri ukot saikho ya u sngaw Henry ukloy ban shang ban sha hikai Henry tanglada usimbut menteri ru utre ban kiw hakamit ya tai niya bat u.
The Meghalaya government.
Right.
Single room though.
Look, you cannot defame somebody who's already infamous for looting money. The government is desperate. We have on numerous occasions, I have personally asked the government to come sit down for a debate. They want evidence, we'll produce all the evidence. The fact that this government is jittered is, ironically, while filing a defamation suit, Deputy CM President Tensong called me a psycho, which is very ironic, and then he proceeds to file a defamation suit. I filed a counter suit against him. But look, who will file a defamation suit against this government for defaming the state of Meghalaya? When a scam is caught, the government either has to explain, because this government has no explanation to give. They are trying to file a defamation suit to intimidate. These suits do not scare us. I've spent the last entire week in a lockup in Gujarat. These kind of petty tactics don't scare me. The government is scared, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma is scared, and there will be more to come as far as not just Meghalayan age goes, but corruption in different departments of this government. They will have to give an answer. And I'm happy to submit myself to Mr. Tensong for a psychological evaluation if in return he agrees to come and sit down and have a debate and not go in a corner like a coward. Have some guts, come and sit down for a debate if you've done nothing wrong. But if you're a thief, you've defamed the state of Meghalaya, put as many lawsuits. I will defame you because you're defaming the people of Meghalaya, you're looting from the people of Meghalaya. Thieves have no reputation, there is no question of defaming a thief.
So you have also filed a complaint.
Yes, I have.
How do you substantiate your allegations?
There is enough documentation to substantiate the allegations. And at the end of the day, look, the government is accountable to the people, the opposition as well as the people of Meghalaya. Accountability should be demanded from the government. This government is scared of accountability. Since months, we've been asking for a debate, we've been highlighting issues. They don't answer to the press, they don't answer to the opposition. So the government should be asked, come out clean, tell us what happened to the Chinese meters, Uni meters, tell us what's happening in MECL, tell us what's happening in Meghalayan age. They don't want to give these answers. And because the super CM of Meghalaya, D. Vijay Kumar IS, has been clearly implicated this time, is why this government has gotten so scared. So the Chief Minister is trying to protect the Super Chief Minister, which is quite sad that there is one Super Chief Minister sitting in Guwahati and there is one IS Super Chief Minister sitting, and the Chief Minister only takes orders from them directly. If you have guts, come out clean, we'll sit down, we'll have a debate with you. If we are wrong, file a suit, but if you're wrong, resign before the elections is what we say.